So I invite us now to get comfortable for a time of meditation. Because this practice is a practice not just based on the mind and thinking ideas and thinking thoughts. This practice is a practice of the heart. So we take that journey in this moment as we take a deep inhale in, and as we exhale, we take the journey from the head to the heart, feeling ourselves just drop into that heart center, and with the next breath, feeling that heart center opening. Go to get more God. All Godness is right here, right now. If there is any part of my mind that is in disbelief of this truth, let it be known to me in such clear ways that I cannot mistake this truth. Let it be activated on a cellular level. Let it be activated from center to circumference in my awareness and in this physical experience. Heart, I soften the internal landscape with self-forgiveness. And assistance as I re-educate my entire being on the beauty and the power of accountability and the idea and the consciousness of mistakes. Myself to be healed at a deep level from any inheritance or any history or any misunderstandings I may have had from the past up until this moment that have led me into ways of being or thinking that keep my mind closed. In heart. New pattern. Create in me a new awareness that I might see that which no longer serves my highest good and the good of those around me. That I might disengage from the corrosive nature of negative thinking, manipulative thinking, limited thinking. And that I may instead replace it with divine thinking, with a heart of service, and with a mind that is a mighty magnet for good, for God. Deep breaths. Asking for an integration of all of the wisdom available and present. Mind unified with this being, this body temple, this mind that is my mind now. This practice, may all beings have freedom from suffering and the causes of suffering. May all beings know God as love and themselves as emanations of this love. May all beings know that we are born blessed and here to be a blessing. Namaste.